He drives his first car down the street, I believe, in Dearborn, Michigan, and it looks like a carriage, and the steering wheel isn't a wheel at all. It's just a lever that he does this.
Sorry. Started laughing at a lady driving down the wrong side of the street there.
To the game kinds of things that take some getting used to. Again, some things that are just bad and some things that are just hard, but some of that you will kind of learn.
And once it's brewed, you add some cold water, and supposedly that makes everything settle. And then you can pour it hot. Oh, that guy just ran the light. Okay, Garmin, save video.
An adaptive cruise control essentially lets you choose how far to follow behind another vehicle, and rather than keeping to a constant speed, constant distance.
Impact detected. Connecting to the emergency call center.
So I'm sure it's just a matter of time before they give me the boot, which is fine. I don't give a shit. Well, guys, he's retired Air Force.
Okay. Whoa!
He's retired Air Force.
Okay. Whoa!
You
Get
don't get
over. Get
Sir,
over.
do
You're
you
not
see
a
the
cop.
bike?
And you don't
Sir.
ride in the middle of the road.
Do you see the bike symbol? Do you see the bike symbol, sir? No? Do you see that?